back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, is my nursery tour, and I'm so excited about this video, you guys. I feel like I've been working on the nursery for so long now, and I am so happy that we're finally finished, and Ryan and I both worked so hard on it. So I wanted to give you a full tour in today's video, and I know this is probably one of the most highly requested videos that I've been getting to do, so I'm so happy it's finally here. And if you guys want to see more kind of like nursery types of videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And yeah, I'm just so shock at how soon they're gonna be here, you guys. We are 1 week today until my twin girls are here, and I am just so over the moon excited, you guys. I can't even explain what's running through my head right now, but I am so excited. So I'm sure after this video, the next one or the next one will be with my girls, and I cannot wait to introduce them to you guys and announce their names as well, because we've been keeping it a secret. So you guys can probably see we have had the names picked out since I think we found out we were having girls. So I've got my M&S up there, and I can't wait to tell you guys. My goodness, so soon. But anyways, I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I'm gonna roll right into this video, you guys. I just want to let you guys know this is like the short form nursery tour. If you want to see this super long one, it's on my vlog channel right now. It's 30 minutes long, so it's a very like in-depth and detailed version of my nursery tour, but this one is just the short and sweet one. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing everything that we have in the nursery. This is what it looks like when you guys walk into the room. I just kind of want to give you a full glimpse right now of the entire nursery. This is the dresser, and I actually got this off Wayfair. I'll leave a link down below on the exact one that I got, but I really liked it. I thought it was a great size for this room, and obviously, of course, I wanted white because our entire theme is pink and white, so I just thought that went so nicely, and especially since we just got our wainscoting done. So I do have some videos on that as well, you guys, some of the home renos we did, but we painted the room pink, we got the wainscoting, and we have the white dresser now, which I think looks really good. So right here we actually have their champagne bisous, and these are the cutest little decor bottles I have ever seen, you guys, and it actually has their names on the back, so you guys will see photos once I announce the names and everything like that, but they are really cute for the nursery. And she does like custom bottles for like weddings, baby showers, anything you want. So they just have pretty flowers and pearls and jewels, and they're just so adorable. And then right behind that, I actually have a mermaid shell. I got that from HomeSense, and I just thought it was very magical and perfect for the nursery. And then right behind there, we got a little hedgehog, and that was actually from two of our good friends from our gender reveal party, and I just thought that was really cute. And of course, it's not a unicorn, and there's so many unicorns in this room, you guys, so I thought I'd mix it up a little bit. And then right in the center of the dresser, we have the changing pad. So it took me a while to find one that I really liked, and thank you to Miss Liz Hart, because Liz actually recommended this to me, and I absolutely love it, you guys. It is amazing, and it's really worked for her and her husband. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but I think it's well worth it. It actually weighs the babies as well, and it also lets you know how much milk they're consuming, and obviously it's a change table as well, so it's very high tech. I got it within a few days when I ordered it, and it's so easy to clean. If you guys can look at the material, super easy to clean, so I mean, that is definitely a plus. And then right inside, we actually have our cute little Cuddle and Kind dolls, you guys, and it was so funny. I was telling you guys on my Insta stories, Ryan actually placed these here, and then I just found I just thought it was so cute, so I didn't want to move them, and it just made me envision like our twins being up here, you guys. So I was like, you know what, let's leave them until our baby girls get here, and I just thought it was so cute. So I did like the fact though that it doesn't take up a lot of room, instead of getting like an actual changing table, which would have taken up a lot of the space. So we really liked that. But yeah, I absolutely love the Cuddle and Kind's entire concept and everything they stand for, you guys. So if you guys purchase one of their dolls, 10 meals go to hungry children in need. So I just think that's absolutely amazing. And they have so many dolls. Look, they even have a unicorn one. I chose Charlotte the dog though, and then I just loved this one. It was just so wintry. They're also really well made, you guys, and these are just dolls that I think the girls will keep for so long. And I really love the little details on each one of the dolls. I think that they're so custom, so unique, and so different. And then right over here, you guys, I have this cute little light up star, so it actually lights up. I thought that was awesome. And I think I got this from a local baby boutique, but I just thought it was really, really cute and very nursery friendly, having it for display. But right here we also have these really, really cute little teethers, you guys, and these are from the Little Bird collection. I love the fact that it's pastel colors, so it has the lilac, the pink, and the blue in here. Right behind that, we actually have two little cute unicorns. So these are from Ellie Lou Organics, and she has the cutest little stuffed animals, you guys. I actually have more that I'm gonna show you guys around the nursery. I'll leave a link down below as well, but how cute are these? They're so plush. And on the back here we have teal hair, and I just love the fact that they all come in little pastel colors. You guys know I love my pastels, so I wanted to put the little dolls together. I thought it'd be really cute and kind of like symbolize our twins. And then right next to our dresser we actually have the diaper trash bin. So I actually bought this off Amazon, you guys. I'll leave a link down below. Ignore my socks right now, you guys. My feet are swollen, so I'm actually wearing socks so it doesn't hurt as much there. So it is really high tech too, and I remember it was a really reasonable price, so I just thought that'd be really good to have. So we do have their closet right over here, which I did put everything above 6 months into the closet, which was a lot of clothes, you guys. But I do have all of their newborn, and then 0 to 3 and 3 to 6 in these drawers here, and then also swaddles and bibs and everything like that. Hello, Belly. And I actually posted a photo of this on Instagram. I might bring these to the hospital. I can't, honestly, I don't even know how you decide, guys. Like, it's so hard to decide on a little outfit. Also, these are their slippers, you guys. How cute are these? These were from Indigo as well, and they're so soft, and I just thought they were so adorable because they were unicorns, so I got 2 of those. Okay, so in this drawer right here, we have all of the bibs. So Daddy loves me. How cute is this? I got this from Carter's. Guys, like a ton. And so there's lots in there. We have big swaddles, this, and then more swaddles down here. And then these ones are like all their cute little bibs. So we have like ones that have clouds on them, little bows, sassy like mommy. I love that one. And then just right above the dresser right here, we have 2 paintings. So I got these from HomeSense. And these were actually in my beauty room before, but they just reminded me of the girls. And it says adventure awaits, and it's got a little Eiffel Tower. And I just thought these were so whimsical and fairy tale like. Okay, so right over here we have the unicorn rocking chair. I got this from HomeSense. And this was probably one of the first things that I actually purchased when I found out we were having twins. And I just thought they were so cute, little rocking chairs. And then right over here we have the Once Upon a Dream. I just picked this up recently at HomeSense, and I loved the colors. I love the fact it was pink and blue and just very like fairy tale like. So I have that above one of the cribs. Full frontal look right here, you guys. These are our cribs, and I got these off Wayfair, just plain white ones. And then these right here are by Bella Moore, so it's actually a local company. I'll link it down below anyways, but these are all handmade. They're beautiful. And obviously when the girls arrive, we will move these. I just wanted to have them out as decor, but we don't want them pulling on anything that they can bring into the crib, so we will move those. But obviously you need something just to spice up the crib because they are really, really plain. Okay, so now getting to up here on the walls, you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys this part. So these wall flowers are actually made by my good friend Vaney. You guys, they are so beautiful. I can't even tell you guys how beautiful they are in person. She actually hand makes these. Like, they are so stunning. So I will leave a link down below for her Instagram. And they actually have little butterflies as well in there. Like, how whimsical and just perfect are these for like a nursery. I just think they're stunning. So these were actually done by a girl named Veronica. I'll leave her link down below. She does custom lettering, you guys. These are the most gorgeous letters I have ever seen, and it brought such a big smile to my face when I got these because it just made it that much more real that they're gonna be here soon. And I knew I wanted these to be a vocal point and just be the center of our nursery, so I'm really happy that we got those. And then right on the other side here, we just have the matching flowers. So we put flowers on both sides. And have our unicorn painting. So this one I think I picked up from HomeSense as well a while ago, and I got it from my beauty room, but of course I just thought this would be perfect for the nursery, and I loved the fact that it already came in like a white frame because I think that just makes it stand out so much more on the white and pink. Another unicorn chair. So you guys know I got that from HomeSense, so I got one for each of the girls. And then right here, this table stand is actually from HomeSense as well. Honestly, a lot of the furniture is. It's one of my favorite stores, and right on this little table that we have right here. So these are from a company called Little Lovely Co. But yeah, I just thought they were so adorable. And behind that we have the little castle. So I actually got that from Indigo, and when I saw it, it was like the last one and I had to get it. I thought it was so cute, and even the tops of the castle is like pink and it's sparkly and glittery, and I just thought it would be so cute for the nursery. And it just really ties into the whole fairy tale unicorn theme that I was going for. Getting onto our nursery chair right here, you guys, this is probably one of my favorite little spots. It is so comfortable. Now, I'm gonna link this down below for you guys. We had a hard time finding a nursery chair, and we actually got this on Wayfair, and when we saw it, we fell in love with the price as well. I think it was around $500, and it's actually a recliner as well. So the recliner, I'm not gonna sit on it right now, but it's just got the little recliner thing right there. So it's so comfortable, you guys. And obviously the only thing I wanted to do is I thought it was very plain when I got it in. I wanted to spice it up a little bit. So what I did was I put these blankets, these are from Nordstrom's, and they're just knitted and they're light pink, and I thought that would look really good on the back. And then I put one on the side as well. I have the unicorn pillow that is from HomeSense, and then right here that is from Ellie Lou Organics, which, you guys, like, how cute is this? She has all different sorts of unicorns, but look at the pastel hair on the back and the little feet. I just think they're so adorable. And then right here, I thought this would go really well with it. So I actually got this in Maui when we were there for our honeymoon, baby moon, and I just thought it was so adorable. I'm actually gonna order a second one online, and I just thought she was so pretty and so cute for the girls. So yeah, I thought that looked a lot better once we got some cute little stuffies on there and the pillow. So this was probably one of the things that took me the longest to decorate, you guys, and organize. But once I finished, I was really, really happy. So right here we just have two of my shipping boxes, which are the Unicorn Mermaid for my new collection. So I thought that'd be really, really cute up there. And then also that new box that I just bought, the Sparkle Bright. I thought that was really nice, and it just takes up that big space up there too. And then right here we have this unicorn. I got that from HomeSense. And then right next to that, this is from Nordstrom's. It's a little piggy bank. It says, "A pretty penny for a pretty princess." And then right here, this is a card that I just got from my good friend F Hammer. It says, "Welcome, baby." And then two little drafts. I got those from HomeSense. I got this from my baby shower, so it says baby. And then right in here, we just have extra stuffies. So that also filled in the space pretty nicely. And then this shelf right here, I like to call this the unicorn shelf. And we just put all their unicorn stuff on here. So we have their unicorn stuffies. These are also little light up clouds, just like the unicorns. And then we have these right here, these little teethers as well. I got those from Indigo. Right here we have the little unicorn books. So if I were a unicorn, and I got two of them. So I thought that those would be really cute for display. And then on the other side here, we just have little unicorns. So we got these ones all as gifts from our baby shower. So this is probably one of my favorite shelves. I think it's so cute. And you're probably thinking, wow, they have a lot of unicorns. I love unicorns. I'm sure you guys know that. So I'm like, I wanted their whole theme to be very fairy tale, unicorn mermaid themed, and obviously pink. You guys know I love pink. But yeah, now getting onto their shoes. And I love the fact that this one, you can see through. Obviously we did glass for this, so I knew that I wanted to put shoes in here because their shoes are just so adorable, you guys. Like, look at these little mini shoes. Can't get over how cute these are. Look how adorable, you guys. So I pretty much put all of their Uggs in the first row right here. So I got these from the Nordstrom sale. These ones right here I got. These are the little Ugg booties. Look how warm they look on the inside there. And then right here we have the Waddles. And then these I picked up from HomeSense. Right back there, those are from HomeSense. We have some little shoes. I think my mom got those. In the back, this is actually by my friend Alicia. So her brand is called Mia Mocs, and they're little moccasins, you guys. Are so cute. She got these for the girls from the baby shower, and I can't wait to see them in them. They're so adorable. And we also have little unicorn right there. these are all their books right here. So I put all of the really cute, pretty ones in the front here. So we have I Love You Daddy, Grandma Loves Me, I Love You Mommy, Mom's Magical. And yeah, they have so many books, you guys. I love the fact that I picked this one up. I found this, Little Miss Twins. Right here, I actually got these 2 little jackets from the Nordstrom sale. These are my favorite. If I had to choose a little favorite outfit, it would probably be these. I just washed them, and they have little bunny ears on the back. It's a little 0 to 3 coat. So since they're kind of coming right before winter, I thought these would be perfect for them. Okay guys, so that was the entire nursery tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I was so confused if I wanted to upload this on my vlog channel or main channel, since you guys know I have 2 channels. So it was really hard for me to decide, but of course I kind of wanted to do a video on both channels just so you guys can obviously see the nursery, and I know it was so highly requested, so I really hope you guys did enjoy it. And like I said, we are a week away, so definitely follow me on Instagram, since that is where I'm going to be posting most of what's going on, like when we're at the hospital and stuff like that. I'm not doing a labor video or anything like that, if you guys were wondering. That is something that Ryan and I just want to keep private, but I'm really excited to introduce them to you guys. So yeah, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely go add me, and I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I guess I'll see you guys soon.